cute back then. So many memories and stories. Oh, and here's my first time at the pool.
Sammy, what are you doing? Sounds like you're having fun.
I was just showing Neytiri my child photos. She was curious what this is all about.
So you were bragging about your photos then?
Well, she doesn't have any of her own.
Yeah, we made it from scratch. But
What? Finish, please, Susan!
we can make a baby Navi like we made Neytiri.
Whoa! Holy cannoli! That's why I love crafting. Let's do it! I can't wait, I can't! Where are they? Oh, hi guys, sorry. I'm just waiting for Sue and the baby.
And here is our baby doll. Sorry for making you wait.
Sue, it's like you have a bunch of baby dolls under the bed.
This time it's shout out to Roger for help. He also has some old toys.
Shiver me cheddars! We don't have any references for baby Navis in the movie! What to do?
We'll be improvising then. First, let's make a haircut for this doll. Scissors are best for this, but guys, watch your hands.
And you call this a haircut? You're just making this baby bald!
That's the point. We'll add cute hair locks later. So everything's gonna be okay.
No worries then. My inner hairstylist is satisfied.
Phew! Ta-da! It's not done though, but we'll fix it.
That's why I thought in advance and brought you the tweezers.
That is just what we need. Here we go. Hup!
Repeat these experiments with toys only, not with your own hair, guys.
And the last one, done. Now the doll is actually bald.
So I guess you'll need this.
Thanks, Sam. Perfect timing, by the way. Thanks to modeling paste. I feel like a makeup artist at a movie set. Let's smooth it out.
By the way, guys, this paste dries out in the air, so you won't need to use the oven. Yay!
Guys, I think our little one really enjoys this process. Uh-huh.
Looks cool, Sue. Can I also make a reservation for this beauty session?
And let's start shaping a cute cat-like nose. Like that. It's quite easy.
Oh, we can use Fluffy as a model then. I'll call him.
Wait, Sammy. He's still sleeping on the couch.
Okay, I don't want to disturb him. Nose already looks lovely, though.
So realistic.
Awesome! Do you agree, guys? Then give us a thumbs up.
Here we go. We're on the right path, guys. Let's keep going. Navi have pointed ears like elves do. We'll shape them from the paste too.
Okay, I got it. Do I look like a Navi, Sue?
Well, you look more like a shaman to me. Sorry, Sam.
Never mind. I like myself anyway.
Okay, one ear is ready.
Wow, Sue, can I make a second one?
Sure. Then I'll start making his cute little tail. Guys, do you remember that Navi have long sweeping tails?
And they're not just for keeping balance while moving on the trees.
Oh, Sammy, have you already finished?
Oopsie, I heard something interesting and wanted to join. I'm up.
That's our tail base. Let's wait until it sets. Now, guys, we need to polish all the parts so that the paint spreads evenly. But where is Sammy? I guess he's up to something again.
I'm here. Just experimented a bit with my looks. How do you like it?
Not bad, Sammy, but I think you lost your charm.
I totally agree with you, Sue. Guys, always be as you are.
Good point. And we can get to the painting now.
I guess we'll need this for it.
Yes, Sammy, thank you. Let's fill the airbrush with the paint. Wow, check out this beautiful color. Guys, don't forget to protect your tables.
Sue, you're getting better and better with the airbrush. Keep going.
I'm doing my best, thanks.
Wow, Sue, this process is so mesmerizing.
Now we'll take care of the back part of the doll's head. Don't rush here and be very careful with the paint. Like this. Phew.
There's still a lot of work to be done here. I can help.
Oh, thanks, Sammy.
It's my pleasure. Come with me, little one.
Sammy, I owe you one. In the meantime, let's color the tail. Guys, try working in teams. It's so cool. Wow, I really like this color. Awesome! And we are done here. Sammy, how's it going with the doll?
I'm also finished. Our cyan baby Navi is ready for the next stage.
Sammy, you're the best, but you missed something here.
Eat one, my precious. I got distracted when feeding my cows and forgot about heels. Sorry.
Sammy, when did you have time to build a farm?
It's a game, Sue. It seems like I need to harvest right now. Bye.
Guys, the base color is done. Let's wait till it dries out and move on.
Sue, I think you already guessed what our baby is missing.
Yep, and these look perfect. There we go.
Sue, take this, you'll need it.
Right. I just want to add contrast to the doll's features.
Wow, it's pink. I think today is certainly my day. But don't forget, guys, the main color is still blue.
And I'll paint her rosy tinted lips. Sammy, check this out.
She's such a sleepyhead. So much fuss around her, and she's still sleeping.
As if little Neytiri was a Navi's version of Sleeping Beauty.
Did you hear that? You're a princess.
Of course she is. She is a daughter of the chief after all. Last edition of pink. This must be ticklish.
Let's try. Oh no! I can't stop laughing.
While Sam was laughing uncontrollably, I finished the baby's ears. Navi's bodies have beautiful dark stripes on them. Let's draw these right now. They are some kind of birthmarks if compared to people.
You won't find two persons with the same ones.
That's true. I've never thought about it that way.
Thanks to me, you'll always have something to think about. I'm so pretty and witty and bright.
A pretty familiar tune. Where are you going, Sammy?
I found work right for my size. I'll draw stripes on the tail. What do you think?
Great! Then let's meet at the finish line. Guys, keep going! We did it! Just a few touches left.
Guys, do you know what we're gonna draw now? It's the most important part!
Right, Sammy? You definitely remember those luminescent marks on Navi's bodies.
They're covered in them from head to toe! So beautiful!
They follow the path of their nervous system and display their mood.
Seems like she's feeling calm right now. That's good!
Let me show you the final look with these marks. Oh, they seem so ethereal. Thumbs up for baby Neytiri. Sammy, wake up. It's time for some cocoa. Let's not forget about the hair. Like this.
Coco, where? So did you trick me?
I simply had no choice. I need the tail and you said you'd finish it.
There you go, stripes in the tip of the tail are done!
Oh, wow! Thanks, you're the best. Let's find something to cover the baby up and start our photo shoot.
Holy cannoli, our Neytiri will have a whole album!
Let me see. Oh, wow, Sammy, you arranged a great photo shoot for her.
But Sue, no, here's the thing. Everybody wants their childhood photos too!
Seems like we have enough ideas for crafts for years ahead. Guys, if you liked our video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye.
See you guys! We